We're going to be talking about some more algorithmic wage discrimination. And this is basically two different rides that are from two different people, because you can actually see the star ratings a little bit different and the prices are different. So this is something that I came across over on and posted on X, and
Yep.
the amazing community that everybody is posted a couple more screenshots. This is why we have 3 screenshots right now. So if you are out there and you see something like this, make sure you get this to us so we can see. Now, the chance of seeing 2 different rides going to the same pickup and drop off is going to be harder to see, but this is what we're seeing. So you as the driver are literally sitting in the exact same spot. So every single thing is the exact same. All of the different variables that they claim are the exact same. The only difference is the passenger who possibly ordered it. Those are the only differences in variables, but where you are in relation to the pickup, where you are in relation to the drop off for both of those rides are the exact same. So every variable for the driver is the same, but yet there's still different prices coming on. So the first one that you see is from Uber, and it's only about 25 cents difference when it comes to it. Now, this could be potentially the same ride because it does have the same star rating, but you're seeing the same thing. You're seeing 12.31 for the same ride going from East 40th in Chicago to Chicago Union Station, and on the top you're seeing 12.31. On the bottom it's 12.09. So
22
I don't know,
cents.
25 cents difference. But then you go on to the other side. Now, in the middle, so for those who are listening, I'll let you know, you're seeing 2 different rides. You got a 5-star rated passenger on top, you got a 493 rated passenger below. Both have $2.25 surge, because again, you as a driver are in the exact same spot.
Yep.
It's 5 minutes away, 1.2 miles to the pickup, and then 24-minute trip. And this is in Dallas. The top one is 1758 with the 5-star rated passenger, and it's 1568 for the lower rated passenger, 493. So I don't know what's going on there, but you're getting, again, 2 different riders who are ordering, same pickup, same drop off. You're getting almost $2 difference there, $1.90 total difference when it comes to the ride. So what would you choose? Obviously, the one that's going to be paying more. I don't know what's going on there, but then Lyft is doing the same exact thing. So I mean, we all say that Uber and Lyft are 2 different companies. I'm saying probably by name only at this point, because this is the first screenshot that I came across that I posted on X was the Lyft one. The 2 Uber ones were the ones that came beyond that. So yeah, he's, again, same thing. 4.9 rated passenger and a 5-star rated passenger. You got 1605 for the ride, or 2005. So it's a $4 difference here when it comes to the pickup and drop off, which is the exact same for both rides, and you're getting paid $4 difference. The only difference I see on Lyft versus Uber is the higher paid on Uber is actually first, and the higher paid on that, I don't know, what are they expecting, that the person is going to take the top one and tap that one, or are you going to go to the higher price there?
But I remember when you tweeted this, I said I noticed the passenger rating is different. So there are 2 different passengers, right? On the first one, they're the same, but on the Uber one and the Lyft one, the passenger ratings are different. So what I was thinking is, why is the higher rated passenger getting stiffed more than the low rated? I would think it'll be the other way around. If you're low rated, you should pay more, right? I'm going like, I don't know. So, but yeah, this is FTC right here. FTC, you're watching Lena Khan. This is it right here. What's happening here? I mean, same job, same time, just 2 different riders, and then the driver is being offered drastically different pricing on Lyft and Uber. I mean, a couple of bucks, you guys may not think it's as much, but on a couple of billion trips, that's billions of dollars. And same thing on Lyft, $4, right? So yeah, algorithmic wage discrimination is alive and well. And here you go. This is what the nose. Surges are not different. Exactly what's happening. So I'm going like, so this kind of says that, Chris, also, they don't just have algorithmic wage discrimination on the driver end. They're doing the same shit on the rider end. You know what I'm saying? So every rider has a tiny little file in their AWS server saying, oh, this is what we're going to charge you, and this is what we're going to charge you. I'm going like, yeah, that should be kind of illegal. But yeah, that's where we are with this one. And this is Chris's fine. I think it continues. I mean, shit, man, it's not ending. So yeah.
Yep, it's crazy. I would love to see the receipts though, so we could see
So would
actually
I.
what the
So
passenger
would
paid
I.
for all these rides. So
Yeah.
that's the only way we could really find it out, but and get all the information. But yeah, this is still pretty unique. The fact that two different rides, same pickup, same drop off, which happens quite a bit. All of these things are happening and they're paying different. So I don't know.
Well, I mean, Jeff, that's a good point. But I'm kind of assuming that the higher fare also is being charged. That passenger is being charged more, right? If they're paying you more, they're charging you more. It's not like they're going to charge the passenger less and pay you more, which is like we can literally break the world record in Lyft and Uber lane. So I'm kind of.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know. The one picture that I posted again on X, follow us on X because we post a lot of things there.
Yeah, in the show
so
notes,
you can see a lot of the things. But the thing that I just posted was talking about the Common Core math on Lyft with the 70/30, and the external expenses was 64% of the total fare price. So you had the passenger paying 64%. So I mean Jeff could be right where you don't know what the passenger's paying, and we don't. Because it could be where they're saying that the commercial insurance is $5 higher on the one that's paying less, and who knows. So it could equal out. But who knows exactly what's going on. But yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.